Question number 17. If the sum of the series which is given below up to nth term is 488 and the nth term is negative, then first option n is equal to 60, second n is equal to 41, nth term is minus 1, sorry, nth term is minus 4, or fourth which is nth term is minus 4 into 2 by 5. Okay, so how to find the value of n? As we can see that this is our series in which a, that is our first term, is 20, and d is the difference between the other two terms, which is minus 2 by 5. Okay, we have given with Sn, which is the total number of sum to nth term is 488. As we know that the formula of Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a minus n minus 1 into d, which is the difference between two consecutive series, which is equal to 488. Then we would solve this into, then we will simplify this. After simplifying this, we would get this equation 100n minus n square plus n is equal to 2440, and by splitting the middle terms we would find the value of n, which would be 61 or 40. Then we would have put the value of then we would find the nth term for the for both of the values, first that is 40 and that is, and second is 61. For finding nth term, for n 40, we would simply put the value of n in an minus 1, an plus n into d, which would we get positive. And similarly we would do in the second case when n is 61. In this case we would get our answer minus 4. So that's how you would solve this question.